How do COVID-19 vaccines affect immune protection? In recent days, the topic of COVID-19 vaccines has surged in conversations as new variants emerge and vaccination efforts continue. Many people are asking how these vaccines impact our immune systems. If you are curious about how COVID-19 vaccines provide protection, you are not alone. Let's break down the facts surrounding this important issue. COVID-19 vaccines are designed to train the immune system to recognize the virus that causes COVID-19 without causing the disease itself. The most common vaccines, including messenger ribonucleic acid vaccines, provide instructions to our cells to create a harmless part of the virus known as the spike protein. This process prompts the immune system to produce antibodies and activate T cells, which are essential for fighting the virus if we encounter it later. Traditional intramuscular COVID-19 vaccines mainly generate systemic immunity. This means they create antibodies and T cells that circulate throughout the body. This systemic response is effective in preventing severe illness by limiting how the virus spreads internally. However, these vaccines may not be as effective at stopping the virus at the entry points in the respiratory tract, where infection begins. Recently, there has been interest in inhaled aerosol vaccines. These vaccines aim to directly target the mucosal linings of the respiratory tract. By delivering antigens to these surfaces, they can provoke a localized immune response, producing secretory immunoglobulin A antibodies and resident memory T cells in the lungs and nasal passages. This localized immunity may block the virus at its entry point, potentially preventing infection and transmission more effectively than systemic immunity alone. Vaccination also significantly lowers the risk of severe outcomes and death. Data indicates that unvaccinated individuals face a much higher risk of dying from COVID-19 compared to those who are fully vaccinated and have received booster doses. Booster shots are essential as they help maintain and increase protection, especially against variants like Omicron, by boosting antibody levels and enhancing immune memory. Individuals with weakened immune systems may experience a reduced antibody response to vaccines. Some may requiring additional doses to achieve adequate protection. While some rare side effects have been reported, the benefits of vaccination in preventing severe disease and long COVID generally outweigh the risks for most people. In summary, COVID-19 vaccines strengthen immune protection by priming the body's defenses through systemic antibodies and T cells. Emerging inhaled vaccines aim to add mucosal immunity at the respiratory tract. This combined immune response helps prevent infection, reduce disease severity, and limit virus spread. Booster doses and tailored vaccine strategies further improve protection, including for vulnerable populations.